Hey, what's going on? This is Steve from Stereo Steves, and today we worked on this Mercedes. It's 2017. I don't quite know the model. Something. We added this little button right here. It's heated seats. I know Mercedes doesn't come with heated seats. No, not this car. So we added heated seats for the customer. We did the two front, driver passenger. So now they can stay warm and comfortable in the wintertime in these cold Utah winters. What else? So I'm just gonna sit here for a minute and enjoy the warmth of the nice warm seat because it's kind of cold today. So if you need heated seats in your car, you think, oh, what? Yeah, we can do that. So give us a call, 801-709-1285. We're in Orem, Utah, 243 West, 700 North.